Hi, I'm Stacy Ochoa. I own Precision Dental Care and Sleep Solutions in Imperial, Missouri. So my dental journey started about 25 years ago. I became a hygienist when I was around 20. And after hygiene school, I knew I wanted more. So I went to dental school, practiced hygiene in dental school, graduated, went into an associateship like a lot of people, did that for 3 years and realized I wanted more. So I started this practice in 2006. So I've been here for about 18 years, chugging away in my own private practice. So here I am, solo practice. Why not just continue the rest of my journey with solo practice, which is what I've been telling myself all these years. Well, I quickly realized that this is a tough gig, as we all know, by ourselves. And I was searching for someone to come in and have a partnership with me, someone that could help me with the load, that could just have that camaraderie with me. So I wasn't doing it all by myself. So I hired an associate who is amazing, with the intention of her partnering with me someday. And what is interesting is we both realized something very quickly. One, I realized that today's doctor coming out of dental school doesn't want to own the way I own, or that most of us have been owning on our own. They don't want that type of life. And I also realized, me neither. So I had to go to a plan B. I wanted her as my partner, but how do we change how this looks, where we both have a quality of life we want and move forward together? So then I started the journey of, well, then what am I partnering with if it's not necessarily just me on my own, or who I'm partnering with, just doing it together? So I started flirting around with different DSOs, and probably 4 or 5 of them. And I got a flyer from MB2, and it said something like, it's really not too good to be true. And I'm like, whatever, it totally is too good to be true. So I called, and what I really liked, before I hung up the phone, I was waiting for the pressure. I was waiting for the pressure sale, because I got it from, and I got it from all the others. Like, if you don't sell now to us, you're not going to be able to sell. Your practice is going to be, extinct. Just all these threats. And MB2 was like, we're here. No hurry, no rush. When you're ready, give us a call back. I said, seriously, like, that's how we're hanging up? He said, yeah, that's how we're hanging up. Whenever you're ready, just give us a call back. That right there just it gave me room to breathe and really think. Zero pressure. That right there was what made MB2 different for me than the other 4 support companies that I was thinking about. So I'm excited about MB2. And this is the part where everybody says, oh, it's too good to be true. And even all my friends now that are kind of watching, they're watching what's happening to me, and they're like, we'll watch what happens to you and we'll go from there. And I'm just looking forward to finding myself again, because I have literally given everything to being an owner. Sorry. The part that I'm really looking forward to is I've been an owner since I pretty much got out of school. And I mean, I got pregnant right after graduation, and he's now 17. And it's just weird, because I said to somebody the other day, when I signed, I thought it was not that exciting. But I went into the other room and I just sat there and I thought, like, the last 17 years of my life flashed before my eyes, from the time my oldest was a baby to now. And all the time I've missed. And I don't want to live in regret, because I have an opportunity now. I have an opportunity for them to meet me. They've never known me to not be so busy and to be so overwhelmed. So I'm looking forward to my family meeting me as this new person that my kids have never really known before. That's my favorite part. The thing there's many things that I'm looking forward to about the support, but like even today, I noticed I'm very down regulated, much less stressed. And I bet my team would say the same thing. Like I'm really focused more, instead of running back into my office to handle a bill or something with IT or something with, marketing or balancing the books. I was looking at x-rays ahead of time and just focused on my patients. I just found myself even today being more just tuned in, like really tuned into my patients, because I just feel more relaxed. What I appreciate about MB2 is it gives me autonomy. I still own my practice. I still am running my office clinically, but they've taken the burden of the other stuff that drives me crazy or makes me stressed out or makes me just anxious, and they've taken that off my plate for me so I can be a doctor again. So a little bit about me. I'm married, and then we have five children. And we're really busy with the kids. And my husband's a police officer, so he's got a lot going on with that. And everybody's like, oh, so tell us your hobbies. And I don't have any hobbies. I have no hobbies. I don't do anything. I work and I go home. But I'm looking forward to getting some hobbies. So ask me again in 3 months and I bet you I have hobbies. I have nothing right now. I did buy a rower. I do plan on exercising a little bit more. But other than that, I'm just looking forward to getting my life back and actually finding some hobbies. That's my goal.